So last time I talked about different things you could look for on YouTube to pass the time. This time I want to talk a little bit about drone videos.
So you can do a search, obviously, and there's just tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of people who have done different kinds of drone videos. Some of the ones I like to see, can't pronounce this, Mingomatic, maybe. Let me go to the video side. They've got a lot of different aerial videos from all over the place. Macau, Philadelphia, Budapest. It's pretty cool. They've got just different things you can see. 4K Relaxation Channel for those who are just having frustrations or whatever because of this stay-at-home order. Just some nice calming things like fall colors of North Cascades, the magic of Icelandic coastline. These are all good things to see. And also there's Timelab Pro. This one I don't know if it's out of the country somewhere. There's a lot of things. St. Petersburg, Moscow. I don't know if it's a Russian site or not, but there's a lot of things of St. Petersburg. Although there's also things like Hong Kong and the Alps. So there's the Gadget Guy 1. Make sure you type in 1. Who has videos of a lot of abandoned places, mansions and things like that. Some place called Celebration City Theme Park, amusement parks, that kind of stuff. Some more drone footage by James BeBop. Looks like a lot of US places, which looks pretty cool. Let's see what we got here. Georgia, Connecticut. Ooh, Niagara Falls. That looks like a pretty good one. Knoxville, Ohio. Texas. Drone Snow Shirts, Texas. Wow, snow in Texas. There you go. And the last one here has just been Chowders website. These are just different places he's visited. Vermont, Tennessee, North Carolina, Kentucky. Just different places he's gone to. A lot of waterfalls, so I kind of like that. That's pretty cool.